YouTubers, and welcome again to Silly Sid 123. Yes, it's been a while since my last upload, but today we've come up with another video, a sofa demo. So what we've got my 1993 Hoover Turbopower 1000 U2814, and as you've seen on the previous videos I've done on this machine, quite good suction, sounds great, and it's an auto sense. Of course, they are the best kind, the turbo powers. So we're going to do justice on my sofa, and well, please enjoy. YouTubers, thanks for watching. We didn't do a full sofa demo because the cover that's covering the cushions, nothing can get underneath. Also, I don't think so, no, and nothing can get behind them because they're always covering it, so there's really no need to take it all apart, not yet anyway. What did I think of the turbo power? Well, suction was amazing, suction was great, sounded great, it picked everything up, not a problem at all. And the good thing about these Permabag System 2s is they are better than the first one, and secondly, they don't leak. They're all right. They really do better than a paper bag. I know people won't agree with that statement, but I'm not having any problems with it. So hope you've enjoyed this video. There's still more videos to come. They will be spaced out over a run up to Christmas, but please stay tuned. Like, subscribe, and enjoy my videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.